Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can draw arrows and insert them as shapes into your graphs and documents on Google Sheets. So let us get started. So guys, as you can see, I inserted an arrow like this here. Let me show you how I did that. Let me remove that one by pressing backspace, and then what you want to do, guys, is click into the given cell where you'd like to place the arrow and then click into insert at the top and navigate to the drawing tool here. Now, you may of course draw manually if you like, but you can also use the shape tool here and use some preset shapes. Hover mouse over arrows and choose the one you would like to go with. You can customize their appearance later, so you can go with a notched right arrow, you can go with a curved arrow, a bent arrow. I will go with a standard arrow to the left, right? Then draw it with your left mouse, so you can resize it, for example. And then it's time to customize its appearance. Start with the fill color here. Let me switch to orange. The border color, let me go with green. Then the border style and thickness. Right, so let me go with a solid line here. And then guys, what you want to do is you may rotate it, for example, right, using that handle here, or resize it using these corners. And then if you'd like to change the aspect ratio or the dimensions, you may use these two orange nodes here. Left click into them, hold them, and yeah, drag the arrow to the left or the right to change, for example, the head here, or the tail. You can change that as well and make it look like this. Then click into save and close to insert it. Now you can move it, for example, you can resize it on your graph or inside your document too. So if you'd like to position it here to point to the graph, you can do it like this. Click into these three dots here to delete it or to return to the editing panel here if you'd like to add more changes and edits to it. That's how I do it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.